A recent trend shows that the U.S. is falling behind in students excelling in science, math, and science technology careers vital to the economy and the future of our world. Since 2000, the ASM Materials Education Foundation has inspired, engaged, and empowered students and teachers through material science activities. Material science has a proven track record of integrating STEM subjects through real-world, hands-on activities to stimulate the interest of students. The ASM Materials Camp for Teachers provides professional development in both knowledge and methods. As the ASM Materials Education Foundation seeks to expand and improve its reach to students and teachers, we continue to enhance our programming and resources available to them. Your support can help us continue this important work and pass on your passion for materials and STEM to the next generation.